Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fish jar at home. First, choose a suitable glass jar, ideally 1 gallon or larger, ensuring it has a wide opening for easy access. Thoroughly clean your jar with plain water, never soap, to protect your future aquatic friends. Next, add a 1-inch layer of aquarium gravel or sand to the bottom. Finally, place a small, smooth rock or a simple decoration inside for your fish to explore. Now, let's talk about inhabitants. For a fish jar, select one small, hardy fish species like a betta or a single guppy, as they adapt well to smaller spaces. Introduce 1 or 2 live aquatic plants, such as anubias or Java fern, which help oxygenate the water. Always ensure your plants are healthy and free of any pests before adding them. Remember, the key is not to overcrowd. A single fish will be much happier and healthier. Proper water and maintenance are crucial for your fish jar's success. Fill your jar with dechlorinated water, leaving about 1 inch of space from the top. Let the water sit for a full 24 hours before introducing any fish, allowing it to stabilize. Perform a 25% water change weekly to keep the water clean and healthy. For feeding, a tiny pinch of high-quality flakes once every 2 days is usually sufficient for a single small fish. Finally, find the perfect spot for your new fish jar. Place it in a stable location, away from direct sunlight or drafts, which can cause temperature fluctuations. Observe your fish daily for signs of health and activity, ensuring it's thriving in its new home. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy the calming presence of your miniature aquatic ecosystem, a beautiful and serene addition to any room in your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.